Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a mobile hotspot on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Network and Internet from the left sidebar. In Network Settings, click Mobile Hotspot. You can enable the hotspot right away by enabling the toggle at the top and then connecting it using the info shown below, or you can continue to customize it. You can choose where to share the internet connection from. You can choose to share it over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and if you click Edit Properties, you can change the network name, the hotspot password, and the band. Once you enable the hotspot, you'll be able to connect to it from other devices. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.